Hello everybody, I'm ESCuber, and today you're watching an unboxing from Amazon.com. So let's get right into this. So this box had 3 different items which I'm really excited to try out and see what they are. So first off, I just wanted to start off with this cable here. It's just a cable, I guess. I mean, that's all I can really say about it. Yeah, so I think it's gold tipped here, like gold plated in the end. But that doesn't really matter, it's just a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable here. So the reason why I got this is for another item which I got in the box, which I'll be doing last. So now let's move on to the actual puzzle. So here I got a Wit Eden puzzle. It's the first Wit Eden puzzle that I've ever gotten before. Right now, off the bat, it feels quite heavy actually, and this puzzle is called the Mixup cube, and so let's open this right up. So here we have the Mixup cube, and it feels quite big and heavy. So you may not know exactly what this puzzle is. So upon first glance, you can see that it's like a normal Rubik's cube, but these shapes are shaped really weird. This puzzle was invented by Oscar van Deventer. There's his signature, and Wit Eden manufactured it and mass-produced it. So you might not know exactly what this puzzle can do, but it's very special. So first off, I'll show you that it's not gimmicked in any way. Upon first glance, it can turn like a normal 3x3, as you can see. It actually doesn't turn that bad either. So yeah, but this has a very unique move. So for a normal 3x3, like seen here, the Diane Zanchi, it can turn normally, and what you do is you can test out corner cutting, which is when you misalign a layer and it can turn like that, and you can even do some reverse corner cutting. So that's how a normal 3x3 works. So however, there's one corner cutting technique that can't work for almost any 3x3. You misalign this middle layer around 45 degrees and you try and turn it. And as you can see, it can't turn at all. So, however, the Mixup cube has actually been able to do that type of corner cutting. So, we'll test out normal corner cutting and can't do it that well. However, we can do this special corner cutting by misaligning the layers, and we can turn this as shown, and you can get into a lot of weird shape-shifting stuff. And yeah, so as you can see, it's really cool. And one cool property is, if you look here, this piece is an edge and this piece is a center. However, when we misalign the layers and turn this, that center that was there before is now acting like an edge. And this edge piece can now rotate like a center. So this can provide many weird parodies, and it's a very cool puzzle. It cost me around $20-something, so quite pricey. However, I'm really excited to scramble it up and see how hard it is to solve. As a quick size comparison, as you can see here, the Mixup cube is much bigger than Zanchi. This is a normal 57mm Zanchi. Also, in comparison with the Yuxin or Yushin 4x4 here, Mixup cube's even slightly bigger than that, so quite a big puzzle. But I don't think that'll affect solve since this isn't really a speed cube anyway, but I can turn surprisingly well. So, yeah. Alright, next up we have a microphone, and this is called a Samson GoMic. So, this is mostly meant for video since, if you can tell right now, audio quality is not that great, but I just thought that I could purchase one, a basic one, just to see how well it can perform. So let's just open this right up. There's tape. Okay, so we got out the mic, and so here's just a pamphlet, and here's where the actual mic is. So this seems to be, yep, it's just a USB cable that can be used to connect to a computer. And here's the actual microphone. Let's just quickly open this. So it's very small, and I actually like that about it. That might be why it's called the GoMic. And see, the Samsung logo is here, and yeah. So now let's just open this up. So here's the microphone, and yeah, it's really small. Here it is, and so now what I'm actually gonna do is I'm going to troubleshoot with it and read the owner's manual, and I'm going to test out audio quality to compare it with the built-in camera microphone and this GoMic. How this test is going to work is that I'm going to first do a test with the built-in microphone, which is what I've been recording with this whole time, and I'll do a test with the new Samsung GoMic, and what I'll do is I'll talk like a normal video, and I'll also do a couple of turns of a cube just to see how well it performs, and you guys can decide whichever one you like better below. Okay, let's get started. Here's test number 1. Hello everybody, I'm ESCuber, and today you're watching a couple of turns and a test of the Fangxi Mini Shuangren. So this puzzle turns like this. So yeah. Here's test number 2. Hello everybody, I'm ESCuber, and today you're watching a couple of first turns and a test of this Fangxi Mini Shuangren. So the puzzle turns like this. So yeah. Okay, so I've decided to do a different type of test, which is when instead of connecting the microphone, as you can see here, into the actual camera using the audio cable here, since that comes out really weirdly as you previously heard, I decided to connect it to the actual computer and by connecting it to the actual computer, then maybe it'll process in a different way. So here's just me just saying a test. So this is in omnidirectional mode, and here's the microphone, and it's about let's say maybe 1.5 to 2 feet away from my face, and I'm just gonna do some turns of my cube once again. This is behind the mic, and here's in front of the mic, and here's just in a normal view. Okay, cool. Okay, so here's the second test of the Samsung GoMic, and once again, this is the second test of the GoMic being connected directly to the computer instead of being connected to the camera. And this time, instead of being omnidirectional mode, which means it records completely around the whole microphone, this mode is the cardioid mode, which records only in the front and slightly on the sides. So here's some quick turns of this Feng Shi Shuang Gren. Here's on the front, and here's on the side, other side, and here's on the back too. Now in real recording, if I choose to go with this option, I won't have everything so close to the microphone, but I'll be using it as so. Okay, so here's test 3 of the Samsung GoMic not being connected to directly to the camera, and the mode that I've set it to is the third and final mode the Samsung GoMic actually offers, which is the cardioid mode with a 10 decibel pad. All that means is it will probably help reducing popping, and it'll just reduce some background noise and sound slightly better. Let's just go ahead and do some turns of this Shuang Gren once again. So here's right in front of it. Okay, here's in the back, if I can reach there. And here on the sides. Other side. And once again, I won't actually be recording this close to the microphone. I'll probably have the microphone just kind of shorter, close to my face, or on the table, but just outside of view. So it won't sound exactly like this, but it should sound pretty close. So yeah. So overall, I don't really know which of the modes I like best. Right now I have the 10 dB pad on that mode that's cardioid, because I feel like that sounds the most mellow, but you guys should definitely sound off in the comments based on whichever one you like best. But I definitely do not like how when the microphone is directly connected to the camera. I don't think that sounds that good, so I think that buying this audio cable here was a waste of money, but maybe I can use it for something else. So those are my thoughts about the Samsung GoMic. I really like it, and definitely sound off in the comments based on whichever one you like better, whatever mode you like better, and I'll be sure to use that in my future videos. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you didn't like it, please post some positive criticism in the comment section below. And also, if you haven't already done so, hit the red subscribe button. It's absolutely free, it really helps, and it'll allow you to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.